Just as I suspected. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing an install of another glueless wig. This one is from Arabella and the color is so pretty. It's like an ash blonde. Love it. So we're gonna install that together. You know it's glueless because I don't have time for anything else. So glueless wig, hopefully it's gonna turn out the way I think it is. So let's just get into it. Here is the box. It's cute. Let's get into the color though. Get into the color. 100% human hair. Typically, that's all the kind of hair that I get is human hair because it just works better like when you're trying to flat iron it or curl it or just like style it, and like it just works a lot better when you have human hair, especially if you're gonna use heat and any kind of like heat tool. It just works a lot better. Okay, so we're gonna open it and see how the hair looks. Just as I suspected. Let's color, y'all. I'm so excited for this color. I've been wanting an ash blonde for so long now, and I finally got one, a really pretty one. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's, y'all, it's just, this is cute. It's like a long bob style, so basically medium length hair, but this is eating. Blonde is very easy to like blend in with your hair because basically the roots are already bleached technically because it's blonde. So you don't have to like bleach anything. You really might not even have to like dye it or like color it a little bit, but I still might. I don't know, like, okay. This is the even tinted lace spray. I just feel this is easier when doing like lace tinting because you just spray it like hairspray. And you find your shade. They have a good range of shades, so you should be able to find your color. But it's just easier in my opinion than just doing foundation. Oh yes. Yeah. This is the color I wanted to, like this color. Oh my gosh, yes. Because it's not like a platinum blonde. It is like a true ash blonde with like some brown undertone. All I gotta do is really hot comb it and flat iron it a little bit better and I'm good to go. Now, the hot comb ain't plugged up, y'all. Hold on. Because why it ain't on? The hot comb has heated up, so yeah, this hair is super soft, I'm not gonna lie. Then kind of go back over it and get all the extra flyaways that you see. One thing about me, I don't like flyaways. I like my hair to all be pressed and let down. I don't want nothing sticking up, flying away. Nothing. Now I flat iron it just to get everything really laid and straight. As straight as possible. Because like it's already kind of straight, but you can tell there's a little wave in it just from packaging. So we're gonna straighten all those lumps and bumps out. That's character. Okay, a little curl. Okay, yeah, that's cute. Bumped ends add character. This side versus this side. Clear difference. Okay. I typically do put adhesive spray on my lace just because sometimes I don't trust my hair and I don't have time for it to be sliding back, so I just go ahead and put adhesive spray on it just in case. And I usually wear my hair for a long time, so I just like to lay it down once and be done with it. And yeah, always use even. So I'm gonna lift the lace up, and not too much, just a little bit. I'm gonna spray it on my fingers and kind of just spread it out so it's even. I think it's easier to spray it on your fingers and spread it than to spray it on your whole hairline because you never know. Sometimes it can like completely mess up and get all over the hair, and now you got glue in your hair, and that's gonna take a long time to like get out. And then it makes it very stiff, so. And then you wanna wait for it to get kind of tacky, a little sticky, and then I'm just gonna lay it back down where it was. Yep, and you're just gonna press it in. All the way in. Then you can go back over the top just a little bit. Kind of get the parts that didn't lay down all the way the first time. Press those in, and then you're gonna get the band and let it kind of melt into your skin. Let it sit. and then we'll come back. Okay, so after you've let it sit for a minute, you're gonna take it off. Yeah, this is how it is turned out after that, and it's a 10. Yeah, if this was my natural hair color, you couldn't tell me nothing. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.